In this video, I will show you how to make this bikini. As you can see, the top has a tie and a keyhole at the neckline, which gives it a distinctive and original touch. The bottom part is more basic, as it has a triangle shape with side ties to adjust the size. Overall, this bikini is comfortable and simple, but it has details that stand out and enhance the feminine figure. Start by printing the pattern at 100% scale. You can check the size using the scale on the first page. If everything is right, place the sheets in the order indicated on the technical sheet. Now cut the pattern according to your size. Once you've cut all the pattern pieces, place them on top of the fabric and cut the fabric according to the instructions on each piece. The top includes a pocket for padding. This step is optional. If you don't want to add padding, cut 4 pieces without the opening. All the straps are folded in half and sewn with the elastic band over the folded fabric. Then turn them right side out. Let's continue with the top. If you chose the pocket option, overlock it before joining the pieces. Now place the 2 pieces with the pocket opening on one of the back pieces. And do the same with the 2 pieces without openings, right sides facing each other. Then overlock them. Once this is ready, join the 2 sewn pieces with right sides facing each other, so that when you turn the bikini right side out, the seam allowance stays inside. First, overlock only the upper part, leaving the peaks of the top unsewn, so you can insert the straps later. Now insert the straps into the 2 openings and secure them with pins. Pin the bottom part and overlock it as well. The straps are sewn onto the top in a V shape using a zigzag stitch. Once this is done, sew an elastic band along the entire top and bottom using a zigzag stitch. With the elastic band sewn, turn the top right side out. The next step is to overlock the sides of the cups that are not attached to the back. I also recommend back stitching at the ends of the overlock to secure the threads and prevent them from coming loose. This part will be used to pass the strap through the center of the top. Place the strap over the fabric to check how wide the opening should be, then fold the edge inward. and sew it with a straight stitch. Once you've done this on both sides, pass the longer strap through the channels we created, so you can tie it at the bottom. Then tie a knot at each end of the strap. The last step for the top is to sew the strap to the back using a zigzag stitch. Now we continue with the bottom. Join the front and back pieces and overlock the crotch. Next, align the two sewn pieces so that the front matches the front and the back matches the back. And overlock the sides. Then sew an elastic band along the two sides you've overlocked. We also overlock the top and bottom edges, leaving the corners open to insert the straps. Thread the first strap from one side to the other using a safety pin, and leave it sticking out on the opposite side. This will help us turn the bikini right side out later. And secure it with a pin. At the other two ends, insert the other two straps, leaving them inside the bikini. And then sew the three straps to the corners of the bottom in a V shape, just like you did with the top. Once this is done, turn the bikini right side out by pulling the strap that's sticking out. Finally, insert the last strap into the only remaining opening. It can be sewn by hand or by machine. And that's it, we're done with the bikini. Although it may seem complicated, as you can see, it's quite easy to make, which makes it the perfect project to sew before summer ends. If you recreate it, I'd love to see your results, so don't forget to send me photos on my social media. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you in the next video.